Welcome to our workshop. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of Lichtenberg wood burning. If you're fascinated by intricate patterns and unique designs, you're in for a treat. Join us as we explore the art and technique behind this captivating process. Lichtenberg wood burning, also known as fractal or lightning wood burning, involves creating intricate patterns on wood using high voltage electricity. It's named after physicist Georg Christoph Lichtenberg, who first observed these patterns in the late 18th century. The process begins with a setup consisting of a high voltage transformer, conductive solution, and wooden surface. The transformer generates electricity, which is then directed through metal probes dipped in the conductive solution onto the wood, leaving behind striking patterns reminiscent of lightning bolts. Safety is paramount when working with high voltage electricity. Protective gear such as gloves, goggles, and rubber-soled shoes are essential to prevent electric shocks. Additionally, ensure proper ventilation to dissipate any fumes from the burning process. With safety precautions in place, let's dive into the burning process. The wooden surface is coated with a conductive solution, typically a mixture of water and baking soda or salt. Metal probes connected to the transformer are then placed on the wood, and electricity is applied, creating mesmerizing patterns as it burns through the surface. The type of wood used plays a significant role in the final result. Woods with high moisture content and low resistance, such as pine or cedar, are preferred for Lichtenberg burning. Their conductivity allows for more pronounced patterns and deeper burns. The beauty of Lichtenberg wood burning lies in its versatility. By adjusting factors such as voltage, duration, and spacing of the probes, you can create a wide range of patterns and effects. From delicate filigree to bold, jagged lines, the possibilities are endless. It's important to exercise caution and restraint when experimenting with Lichtenberg burning. High voltage electricity poses inherent risks, and proper training and supervision are recommended, especially for beginners. Always prioritize safety and follow established protocols to minimize accidents. Once the burning process is complete, the wood surface may require finishing to enhance its appearance and durability. Options include sanding to smooth out rough edges, applying a clear sealant or finish to protect the wood, and even adding color or dye to accentuate the patterns. The beauty of Lichtenberg wood burning extends beyond traditional artwork. From custom furniture and decorative pieces to personalized gifts and sculptures, the unique patterns and textures created through this process add a touch of sophistication and intrigue to any project.